let's say you have an object in your scene that you want to copy that. Let's say you have a cylinder. Put it in here. Then reduce the diameter a bit, radius 10 centimeter. Let's say it's like a pole. And then let's say it's a sign, maybe. Whatever. Bring it up and then we'll link these two together. Yeah, how do we do it with this one? Let's do it here. MaxScript, clone objects. MaxOps, clone nodes, this one, clone type, whatever. This is the code. I know it. You could, if it was you would have tried different things, and you will find this at the end. But I know it's this one. Yeah. So we don't want to keep. Let's try it first to if it works. MaxUp, clone this one. Clone type instance, this, and then what happens is that this one clones this object, and this means the object that you have selected. Box, this one. And then clone type is instance, and it's exactly like when you press this clone and then you press instance. And the new node that gets created, the new object, will be called NNL. And now it's instant. Beautiful. So, okay, now we're copying the selected object, but we want to copy these two. So the way we can do it is to do this. My sign, a variable that I'm creating, equals to this. So whatever is selected will be my sign. It will be put inside this variable. There you go. If I select this one and then shift enter, only this will be run. That's a selection. Well, the variables are in there. And if I do like my sign, I do this, because this sign has two objects inside of it. So it's an array. If I do my sign 1, it will be one of the objects. My sign 2, oops. My sign 2 will be the second one, cylinder. And we want to clone both of them and then move both of them by like 200 centimeters. We can use a for loop again to go through them and copy them. Let's create that. For I equals to 1, 2, 2. This is just for, we can do to my sign dot count. That is 2, because there is 2 objects in it. If I select this and shift enter, you can see only 2. So from 1 to 2. 2. I will do this set of instructions, copy this object, and then move this one. Yeah. So we want to keep the copied object, the second set of cylinder and the box. Then we can create up here we create another array. Like, this is the first sign, this will be the second one. My sign 2 equals my sign copy equals to like this. This means it's a list of objects that is empty now. I'm going to shift enter on this one, we will get something like this. And then in here, I would say append my sign copy NNM. So this is, make it a bit bigger. Maybe I should have done it from the beginning, but there you go. So what happens here is that we have an empty list. We are copying the selected, we are copying this, the sign, because the sign is the selected objects. Copying the sign one by one. We put I in here, so I is 1. It will be copy sign number 1, whatever that is inside this variable number 1, and that means my sign 1, that will be the box only. Copy this one and put it in NNL, the new box, and then put that new box inside the new list. That would be my sign copy. And this append means like put this in this, and then it will, the I will become 2, because we said go to number 2, and then it will be my sign 2. It will be the cylinder, and will be the new object will be NNL, and NNL will be put inside the new list. Let's run that. So we got 2 objects here, 2 extra ones, and this list contains the 2 objects that we have, the new ones. What I can do is that I can do this 1, and then dot close position equals to 0, 200, 0. Oh, not dot but comma. I'll just move the position of one of the copied objects. Well, the height is whatever. And then the second one, I can move that one as well. Right? We have 2 cloned objects like this. But what we want to do is to move them one step and then do what we did with the teapot, but with these ones.